So today I am making another rose trinket dish. I absolutely love this mold and it is my favorite right now, and I just love the way it comes out when it's done. I don't think there was one that I've made that I looked at and was like, this is ugly. I mean, some of them I didn't like the colors I mixed, but it just the mold just, it's really pretty. So I am enjoying using this mold at the moment. And I split the resin into 2 cups because I'm gonna add in 2 different things. So in this one I'm putting the mica powder, and then in the other one I am going to add some glitter. So it's just going to be clear with glitter, and then I'm going to have one with mica powder to color it. So this is the cup that I'm adding the glitter to. So I'm going to stir up both the cups until I'm sure that they are both mixed pretty well. And I'll speed up this part when I go to editing. And now I am going to start with the mold. I had started to pour it and realized that I didn't have it in camera, so I moved it. And I'm gonna alternate. I am putting the resin with the mica powder in, and then I'm gonna add the clear with the glitter to it, and then I'm gonna go back to this one with the mica powder. And so I'm gonna alternate until everything is filled up. So when I edit, I'll speed this up too. So it has been 24 hours. Now I am able to demold it, to unmold it, should I say. And I'm always excited to see what they come out looking like, because this really is like my favorite mold right now. And as you can see, I poured the glitter, the clear with the glitter first, so the top of the rose sparkles with that glitter. And this one, the bottom part is easy to undo, but when you get to that top, it's a little bit harder. And look how pretty. I absolutely love it.